How to make a cool intro in CapCut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make a cool intro in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first step is open up your CapCut and then start a new project. Import a cool effect which you can get online. You can get any effect online. You can head over to free effects and search for it online. Now after you're on the effect section, you can play around with it. I'll just increase the time here of this effect here. So I'll just increase this into 2x and then it should look like something like this after I've increased its effect. Now what I'll do is I'll simply add a text here. So let me just increase the speed a bit more. And yeah, there we go. So what I'll do now is simply tap on text and add a text. Now I'll just add a text here. Don't forget to subscribe to App Hacks. And after I add a text, I'll simply add an animation here. I can add some more, fonts there to make it look cooler. Now I'll just add in here. So just choose a really cool font. The font, the animation will matter here. So just choose any animation that will suit your, video that you just used. So the one that suits here, I can't find it right now. So I'll just use a random one. So there we go. And as you can see, this is how you can create a really cool intro. And yeah, that is all for this video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.